everyone! Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Welcome to our video, Koh Tao Diving for Beginners. What are your options? Today we'll be exploring the magical underwater world of Koh Tao, Thailand. So, if you're a beginner diver, or even if you've never dived before, fear not. We've got you covered with some fantastic options to suit everyone. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly option. Try scuba diving. It's perfect for those who've never tried diving before or have limited time on Koh Tao. In this one-day experience, you'll learn some basic scuba diving skills, such as how to use your equipment, how to breathe underwater, and how to communicate with your dive buddy. Under the guidance of a certified instructor, you'll first practice these skills in a shallow, confined water area. Once you're comfortable, you'll be taken on 1 or 2 guided dives, up to a maximum depth of 12 meters, 40 feet. The Try Scuba Diving experience is a fantastic way to get a taste of the underwater world, and it might just leave you hungry for more. So, you've tried Discover Scuba Diving, and you're ready to take your diving journey to the next level. Enter the Open Water course. This is a 3 to 4 day course designed for absolute beginners. During this time, you'll learn essential diving skills through a combination of classroom sessions, confined water training, and open water dives. You'll cover topics like underwater navigation, buoyancy control, safety procedures, and dive planning. After completing this course, you'll be certified to dive up to 20 meters, 59 feet, anywhere in the world. The Open Water course is your ticket to a lifetime of underwater adventures. Now that we've covered both options, let's help you decide which one is best for you. If you're short on time or just want a quick taste of scuba diving, the Try Scuba Diving experience is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're keen on becoming a certified diver and unlocking more diving opportunities, the Open Water course is the ideal choice. Remember, if you fall in love with diving after your Try Scuba Diving experience, you can always continue with the Open Water course. Many dive schools even offer credit from your Try Scuba Diving experience towards the full course. With so many dive schools on Koh Tao, it can be overwhelming trying to choose the right one. Here are a few tips to help you out. 1. Look for dive schools with a good reputation and positive reviews. 2. Check if they offer small group sizes for a more personalized experience. 3. Make sure they have experienced and certified instructors. 4. Don't forget to compare prices and package deals to get the most value for your money. So there you have it, folks. Koh Tao offers amazing diving options for beginners, whether you're looking to dip your toes in the water with Try Scuba Diving or take the plunge with an Open Water course. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your underwater adventure in Koh Tao today.